Unmasking, the mastering articles in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting video on mastering the English language. Today, we're going to be focusing on a very important topic: using the with countable and uncountable nouns. Knowing when and how to use the definite article, the, is crucial for proper English usage, and we're going to delve deep into that today. So, let's get started. First off, we need to understand what the is. In English, the is known as the definite article. We use the when we're referring to something specific. It doesn't matter whether the noun we're referring to is singular or plural, countable or uncountable. The can be used with all. For example, we say, "The cat is on the roof," because we're referring to a specific cat and a specific roof. Or, "The water in the glass is clean." Here, the water, an uncountable noun, is also something specific we're talking about. Now, let's talk about using the with countable nouns. Countable nouns are those that can be counted as separate units, like apple, car, or movie. We use the with countable nouns when we are talking about something specific that both the speaker and listener know about. For instance, if I say, "Please pass the book," it implies a specific book that we both know about. Similarly, we can use the with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are those that we cannot count as separate units. These include abstract concepts or substances like water, music, or information. We use the with uncountable nouns in much the same way as with countable nouns, that is, when we are referring to something specific. For example, "I love the music at this concert," or "The information you gave me was very helpful." Like any rule in English, there are some exceptions. Remember, we don't use the when we're talking about things in general or when using plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns with a general meaning. For instance, we would say, "I like cats," not "I like the cats," unless we are referring to specific cats. And "I love music," not "I love the music," unless we're talking about a specific piece or type of music. And there you have it. You've learned about using the with countable and uncountable nouns in English. This is a significant milestone in your English learning journey. Remember, practice is key. So make sure you keep using the correctly in your everyday conversations and writings. I hope this video was helpful, and as always, keep practicing and stay curious.